Welcome students. Today we are learning a beginner's guide to storytelling mechanics. The topic is the parrot and the reporter, mastering direct and indirect speech. Look at the sentence, I want a cracker. This is called direct speech. Direct speech uses exact words spoken. It uses quotation marks and shows lively, immediate action. When we change it into indirect speech, we say, the parrot said that it wanted a cracker. Indirect speech gives reported information. There are no quotation marks. It often uses that and changes the verb tense. Let's learn this in a fun way. There are two ways to tell a story. First, the parrot. The parrot repeats exact words. It uses quotation marks. It creates immediate, dramatic scenes. Second, the reporter. The reporter shares the meaning. The reporter tells the story from their own perspective. It is great for everyday summaries. So remember, parrot means exact words. Reporter means meaning. Now let us understand direct speech, the parrot mode. Inverted commas frame the exact words. Example. Children, it is time for lunch. This means we are hearing the exact words spoken. It feels like you are right there hearing Granny speak. So in direct speech, we use quotation marks. We write the exact words. It sounds lively and real. Now let us learn indirect speech, the reporter mode. In this, no quotation marks are used. Example. Granny told the children that it was time for lunch. Here, we are not repeating exact words. We are capturing the meaning of the message from the reporter's perspective. So remember, no quotes, only meaning. Let us see a quick guide, parrot versus reporter. Focus. Parrot exact words. Reporter the meaning or message. Punctuation. Parrot uses inverted commas. Reporter no quotation marks. Vibe. Parrot dramatic, immediate action. Reporter helpful everyday summary. So both are useful but used in different ways. To change from parrot to reporter, we use three tools. We do not just memorize rules, we use tools. Tool 1, the bridge, connectors like that or if. Tool 2, the camera, pronouns change perspective. Tool 3, the time machine, tense moves back in time. Example. He said, I will be there soon. Becomes. He said that he would be there soon. Let's learn each tool clearly. Tool 1 is build a bridge. When we remove quotation marks, we need a word to connect the speaker to the message. We use words like that. Example. Ram said to Sita, I like swimming. Becomes. Ram told Sita that he liked swimming. Notice. Said to becomes told. We use told when we mention the listener. Tool 2 is shift the camera perspective. Pronouns must match reality. Example. Sindhu is my daughter, said Ramkrishna Reddy. We cannot say my daughter, because it is not our daughter. So we change it. Ramkrishna Reddy said that Sindhu was his daughter. So remember, change pronouns according to the speaker. Tool 3 is step back in time. If someone spoke yesterday, we report it in the past. So verbs move one step back. Rule. Past tense reporting verb is equal to past tense quote. This is called tense change. Let us see examples. Example 1. The smugglers will be back, the man said. Becomes. The man said that the smugglers would be back. Example 2. I'll catch you in a minute, replied Seema. Becomes. Seema replied that she would catch him in a minute. So will becomes would. Sometimes there are exceptions. If it is a universal truth, the tense does not change. Example. Ram said, wood floats on water. Becomes. Ram said that wood floats on water. Because it is still true today. So we do not change the tense. If the speaker is saying it right now or will say it in future, the tense remains unchanged. Example. Ram says to Sita, I like laddu. Becomes. Ram tells Sita that he likes laddu. Future example. Seema will say, it is a wonderful adventure. Becomes. Seema will say that it is a wonderful adventure. Before finishing, check 3 steps. Step 1. Bridge. Did I remove quotes and add that? Step 2. Camera. Did I change pronouns correctly? Step 3. Time machine. Did I change the tense if needed? Final output. Seema replied that she would catch him in a minute. Always follow this checklist. Now it's your turn. Shyam has eaten my chocolate, says Arun. Think. Bridge, what connects the sentence? Camera, whose chocolate is it? Time machine, do we change tense? Use all 3 tools and become a reporter. Now you can master the story. The parrot. Use exact words and quotation marks to create immediate drama. The reporter. Use your bridge, camera, and time machine to share meaning. You now have the tools to tell any story. From any perspective. Happy reporting.